Hola, just heading up Calle Allende up to the Jamaica Condo. Just turned over, probably 60% occupancy already. Great views straight up from the Malecón. Yeah, I'll show you some suites today, so make sure you follow me to the end of this video. Welcome, I'm Derek Smith with MexLife Realtors right here in Puerto Vallarta. Today I'm taking you on a tour of Jamaica Luxury Condominiums, a development that blends tranquility, ocean views, and resort style living, right here in the heart of Cinco de Diciembre. But now I want to show you my favorite space. Take a look at this rooftop. You've got a large infinity pool, a jacuzzi, a steam room, gym, and a bar where you can relax and take in the views. From up here, you get incredible panoramas of the city and the ocean. Jamaica Luxury Condominiums truly delivers a complete lifestyle, tranquility, comfort, great design, and a neighborhood that has everything. If you want more information, or if you'd like to schedule a tour, send me a message. Let's find your next home in Puerto Vallarta. So yeah, there's suites still available. Do you need one bedroom, a two bedroom? The amenities are beautiful, the views are beautiful. Just a little ways up from the Malecón. So get at me, call me, text me. WhatsApp works really well in Mexico. Just doing a property tour today. Love the weather. Come on down and check it out. You don't want to miss out. At Prairies to PV Homes with MexLife.
Hola, Derek Smith here, MexLife Realtors, Puerto Vallarta, Bucerías. Just down in the Bucerías office today. But it's a floor time, answering questions, greeting people. Yeah, we've got a great little space here. Perfect walk by traffic. So yeah, stop by. Come and see us. Ask us some questions. What do you need to know about buying property down in Mexico and the Bay of Manzanares? We'd love to help you out for sure. Every step of the way, your needs and wants. Go through some basic information, what you're really looking for. But yeah, we've got the trusted advisors in Puerto Vallarta, Bucerías, La Cruz. Yeah, just gotta come find us, ask us questions. We'll be gladly to help you out. Yeah, we got a little table set up outside the Bucerías office now, so very informal conversations, but always here to help for sure. At Prairies to PV Homes with MexLife. Here we go. Rick here with MexLife Realtors at Prairies to PV Homes with MexLife. Yeah, just behind me, a beautiful Casa, exploring the Agua Azul neighborhood, just a little past Lopez Mateos, across the Tuttle Road. Quiet neighborhoods, local for sure, have all the shops, the butcher, the fruit, the vegetables, anything you need, taco stands for sure. But yeah, I've toured that Casa, taking a guy on some showings today, so there's just another property that we're going to go look at, a little bit cheaper, a little bit more of a fixer-upper in this neighborhood. So yeah, watch for my videos, and I'll preview all these. Have a great day. Hola, how many times do you think about getting away from those Saskatchewan prairie winters every year? Yeah, I know there's a lot of thoughts, a lot of planning, figuring out which week works for the family or possibly some friends. But Puerto Vallarta, come visit us all year. The summer, you get the beautiful rainstorms, the thunder and lightning storms. It's still sunny and it's hot during the summer. You get to see the different side of Puerto Vallarta. And then, yeah, if you want to escape the winter, come visit us down in Puerto Vallarta or around the bay. There's lots of cool areas, lots of cool places. We want to meet up and talk about some properties. It can easily be set up. We could meet at the office. We could meet at the neighborhood pub. We could even meet on the beach if you want. So yeah, come find me. Here we go. I can tell you all about the areas of Puerto Vallarta.